last year, I got a brand new truck and we've really been putting it to work. And when it comes to the tires, well, we haven't exactly been too kind on them. And that's why we're here at Goodyear. It's the perfect time for an upgrade because they've got the new Goodyear Assurance Maxguard SUV. Let's see what this new tire can do. Many people see tires as simple round bits of molded rubber, but nothing could be further from the truth. These are very complex pieces of modern engineering, especially the new line of Assurance Maxguard SUV tires from Goodyear. Now, we all know the primary purpose of tires. It's to give you control in a wide variety of conditions, and it's provide safety and provide fuel economy all at the same time. But in the cases of SUVs and crossovers and pickups, it's a bit more challenging because you're dealing with a bigger vehicle, more complicated physics, and definitely more weight. And that's what Goodyear considered when they were designing the Assurance Maxguard SUV. But enough talk. Let's go out and mount it and then drive it. I've had the Goodyear Assurance Maxguard SUV on my vehicle for quite a while now, and already I can tell that there are quite a few improvements, but we can break it down into three important categories: what I can feel, what I can hear, and what I can see. For starters, the steering response has actually improved compared to before, but in an everyday vehicle, what is really more important is braking. Right now, it's dry, and the response of the brakes is a lot better compared to before. And I have a lot of stuff in the car. But nevertheless, it's an improvement. I had wished it was gonna rain, but even though I washed my car today, it didn't. But the biggest improvement you will feel immediately is when it comes to the ride comfort. Because Goodyear optimized these tires to deal with rough stuff. So whether you're dealing with potholes or rough roads, or right now, EDSA, or even village humps, the tires can take a beating, no problem. Another big upgrade to the Maxguard SUV is when it comes to noise reduction. Because using a trusty decibel meter, I was averaging around a 2 decibel reduction on asphalt, 60 kilometers per hour. At the same speed on concrete, it was even bigger at 3 decibels. The improvement in the ride and the quietness is a testament to the work that Goodyear put into R&D to give the customers what they want out of these tires. As for the third benefit, well, you will see it whenever you fill up at the gas station, because in my short time with these, I was already averaging 0.4 kilometers per liter, better than before. To know more about the Goodyear Assurance Maxguard SUV and to see if it fits your vehicle, visit Goodyear.com.ph or pay a visit to your nearest Goodyear Auto Care Center. This is Vince of AutoIndustriya.com.